Hello people, so today we are making spaghetti sauce a la Jollibee. So yun, we saute the ground beef with salt and pepper, and then ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng mushroom, and then yung hot dog, so yan, mix lang tayo para hanggang sa maluto yung ating hotdog. And then we will put the spaghetti sauce. Filipino style spaghetti sauce yung nilagay ko dyan para siya manamis-tamis. And then nag-add din ako dyan ng sugar.